Welcome to Independence Journey. In this video, I'm going to talk about why I'm investing in Digital Turbine stock, ticker symbol ABS. We'll take a look at the company's business, financials, and stock price. Firstly, I'll talk about its business. Digital Turbine provides monetization platform for mobile devices. This material is the latest investor presentation from Digital Turbine, created in May 2021. We can see that the company works with global operators and OEMs such as Verizon, AT&T, Samsung, LG, and T-Mobile. Digital Turbine also works with lots of advertisers. You'll notice familiar names here such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Visa, Amazon, and Starbucks. Digital Turbine's partnership with these companies shows that it has been successful in mobile monetization business. Increasing installation of Digital Turbine's application also shows its ongoing success. The number of installation in total reached 600 million, and the number is constantly increasing. Digital Turbine once had one-time revenue only through app discovery. However, it now has recurring revenue from content discovery, brand advertising demand, programmatic ad demand, and publisher monetization. Its revenue is now diversified. The diversification in revenue was enabled by acquisitions. Digital Turbine acquired Appreciate, Viber, and AdColony all in 2021. So we know that the company is growing very fast. Among the products provided by these companies, SingleTap is probably one of the most well-known. SingleTap is a patented technology that improves programmatic user acquisition. With SingleTap, users can install an application with just one tap. They don't have to go through the App Store. It's so convenient for users, so there's no wonder app developers will want to provide their apps through SingleTap. SingleTap does improve user experience and user acquisition, but there is something we need to keep in mind. That is SingleTap's relationship with Google. It operates on Google Android, but bypasses Google App Store. So far, SingleTap has been working well, but if Google decides to block bypassing the App Store, we don't know whether SingleTap will still work. It seems Digital Turbine should keep a good relationship with Google. Digital Turbine is in a huge market, which continues to grow. In 2021, mobile ad spending is $341 billion and is estimated to grow to $540 billion in 2025. That is why I believe Digital Turbine has potential to grow further, even though it has already grown rapidly. Next, let's take a look at the company's financials. As we've seen, Digital Turbine has grown a lot, and it resulted in an excellent revenue increase. In fiscal Q4 2021, yearly growth of revenue is 142%. It is also impressive that Digital Turbine was able to do that while increasing earnings at the same time. In fiscal Q3 2021, adjusted EBITDA increased by 303% year over year, non-GAAP EPS increased by 278%, and non-GAAP free cash flow increased by 214%. It shows that Digital Turbine has a very profitable operating model. However, with its rapid growth, Digital Turbine's debt has increased too. In its balance sheet, we can see that its cash is about $83 million, and its debt is around $240 million. I understand that Digital Turbine spent lots of cash for recent acquisition. I'd like to see the company reduce debt in the future, and I believe it will because its business is very profitable. Now let's take a look at the stock price. This is Digital Turbine's stock price chart with 1-week candle. Its huge upside movement started in summer 2020. In COVID pandemic situation, the stock price went up from $10 to $100. In spring 2021, the price started to go down, and in September, an uptrend started with a large volume. Recently, the stock broke out of its previous high around $80. It will be interesting to watch when the stock will break through the resistance at $90 level and $100 level. We're looking at one-day candle chart now. There are 2 days showing especially high volumes. The first one is August 31st. On that day, an announcement was made that Digital Turbine was set to join S&P Midcap 400 Index. On the positive news, huge volume came in. The change was gonna take effect prior to the opening of trading on September 7th. That's why we see the large volume on September 3rd, the last trading day before September 7th. I bought Digital Turbine stocks on August 11th, a day after its earnings. I'd been watching Digital Turbine stock, and when I saw the price fall a lot, even though the earnings result was positive, I decided to get in. The entry was not bad, but it could have been much better if I had waited just a few days. If I had more cash, I would have bought more here, but unfortunately, I didn't have enough cash at that time. It's okay though, because I'm in profit zone now. Analyst view on the stock is positive. Analyst rating is strong buy, and the average 12 months price target is $100.40. That represents 18.5% upside. I've talked about my view on Digital Turbine as well as its business, financials, and stock price. If you have enjoyed this video, please help this channel grow by clicking the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate your support. I also recommend checking out my other videos that may interest you. Thank you for watching.